Today I'm going to show you the Wondershare Mindmeister app. It's a brainstorming and outlining app with the potential for presentations, as it also has a slideshow tool. So as you can see, it is a spiderweb brainstorm, something that we have all done on paper before. In this case, the main topic is U.S. history. And then you've got subcategories around that. So in this case, we've got Western expansion, Industrial Revolution, Great Depression, Roaring Twenties. And we're going to focus in on World War I as a subtopic. And as you can see, I've gotten started on that. With World War I, we can see that we have some subtopics. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, the two sides in the war, the U.S. role in the war, and industrial warfare. And let's focus now on the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. We can get a little bit closer, move over and look at that. And this is a good opportunity to show you the slideshow tool. So we can see it here. We can also see it as a slideshow. So let's center this a little bit. And as you can see, the first slide shows everything starting with World War I. The next slide is going to focus in on the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The next slide, Prince of Austria-Hungary. He was killed, the date he was killed, June 20th, 1914, and he's killed in Sarajevo, Bosnia, by a Bosnian radical. And then we're going to click Escape to get out of here. Now, I stopped with only 5 slides because the free version only gives you the 5 slides. But it just gives you an idea of what it can do. So now let's play around and see how you would use this app. So we'll go back to the main topic, U.S. history, and float over to this plus icon, click it, and let's add a new topic. Let's add in World War II, and then we click off of it and hover again, and as you can see, we've got a plus, so we can add another topic, a subcategory. We'll talk about dictators in 1930s Europe as a good start for World War II. And then we can add subcategories to that. For example, we can add Adolf Hitler. Okay, so you can, and then maybe we'll add one more. As you can see, you can add multiple to a subcategory. So we'll add Mussolini. One of the negatives of this is it doesn't have a spell check that I found. So that could be good if you're just brainstorming, it doesn't matter. But if you're doing a presentation or something more professional, that is a little bit of an issue. Okay, so that's sort of how it works. And then you can start to see that we can play a little bit with it. There's more options with the paid version, but there's still a lot of cool stuff you can do. So we click on World War II, we can change the color. All right, we can change it to a bunch of different colors. We can change, so let's just change it to red for fun. We can change the shape. As you can see, the shapes, and there's a lot of little fun shapes too, I think that the kids might enjoy. That's basically how it works. It's pretty easy to use, self-explanatory. The other great thing about it is that there is a way to share so that multiple people can contribute remotely to this. So you click on the share icon, and you have the possibility of a link or a barcode, so that basically people can work on it remotely. So you could have a group project where people are at their homes, especially in the pandemic, where they could all work on the same thing. So that's just a small taste of Wondershare Mindmaster. I think it's really cool, and hope you check it out. Thanks.